Tired of just scraping by? It's time to unlock the full potential of your budget with EveryDollar Premium. Today, we're diving deep into EveryDollar Premium to show you how its advanced features can revolutionize your financial life. Starting with advanced budgeting. Premium lets you create unlimited budget categories and subcategories, allowing hyper-detailed tracking of your spending habits. Tap the plus icon. Then select Add a Group or Add an Item. Use custom categories to track things like specific travel expenses or home improvement projects. Next up, let's tackle debt. The Debt Snowball tool in Premium allows you to visually organize all your debts and create a personalized repayment plan. Simply enter your debt details, then prioritize which debts to pay off first. Either by balance or interest rate, EveryDollar will show you exactly how long it will take to become debt-free. Say goodbye to manual entry. Link your bank accounts for automatic transaction tracking. This means EveryDollar automatically categorizes your spending, giving you real-time insights without the hassle. Premium offers financial planning tools to visualize your financial future. You can set savings goals, plan for retirement, and even project your net worth over time. Leverage detailed reports to see where your money is going each month. Premium provides insightful charts and graphs that help you identify areas where you can save more. Finally, access financial coaching and exclusive content designed to keep you motivated and on track. EveryDollar Premium provides the resources to achieve true financial freedom. Ready to take control? Upgrade to EveryDollar Premium today and start building the financial future you deserve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more budgeting tips.